Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is MS Word. This one where the document word is written is called title bar. The next one is called menu bar, where the file, home, insert and design is written. And if you click on home, so here is this one is called toolbar. Now the blinking one is called cursor, where you can start the writing. For example, if you write any, for example, if I select the word art and select this one, and here I write down school. School is, now if you write down school is good for children. So if you click on here on home and click on insert and then click on the tables, and you can insert the tables by selecting the number of columns and rows. For example, if you want to insert 3 columns and 11 rows. Similarly, this is the way you can insert the table in the MS Word. Now you can, if you want to delete the table, click on this in this here and click on delete sign, or you select this one and then right click on it and click on the delete table, delete cells, and you can click on delete entire rows. Similarly, if you want to click on insert and you want to insert the picture, as we have studied that you can insert the table. Now if you want to insert the picture, you click on picture and then click on drive, and you can insert any picture here. For example, select the picture and then click on insert. You can resize the picture. So this is the way that you can insert the picture. Similarly, if you click here on the layout, here you can adjust the margin of the pages. Click on margin. Here you noted that normal size top, it will start the top 1 inch, they will leave blank on the top of the page. Here similarly, bottom 1 inch, left 1 inch and right of the 1 inch. You can also select by your own custom margins. For example, if you increase the left side, sometime you are doing thesis and you want some space for the binding, you note it here that from the left side the writing will be start after 2.4 inch. If you click here, you note it here that the school is good for the children, are move 2.4 to the right. Similarly, if you click on here on the layout, and you can similarly, if you want to start the, if you want some columns, for example, you want to divide the page in 2 columns, so click on the columns and write here 2. So one column is here and the other column is here. Similarly, if you want a page break, so click on break and then click on page, so another page will be start. So in this way you can divide the page in 2 pages. Another important point is header and footer. For example, if you click on header and you write here, click on the blank one. So header is the point which will display on every page. For example, if you write here something like school, so the school will be displayed on every page. For example, if you check it in the second page, automatically the school is written here. So header and footer are very important in every document. Now you can change the font color by your own choice. For more colors you need to click here and you can make your own color. Similarly, these three, bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic and underline is used. You can change the underline style by your own choice, and you can also change the underline color by your own choice. And now next topic is number and bullets. Here you can apply the numbers. For example, if you click here on the Roman or the italic numbers and here you write something, so automatically in the second line the number will be allotted to the second. For example, so in this way you can give the numbers. You can also change the numbers by selecting all the numbers and then select any number type. For example, sometime you want to write in the small Roman, or you want to ABC or 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, you can change the numbering. Okay. Now sometime you want subscript and superscript. For example, sometime you are writing mathematics formula x power 2. So selecting the 2 and click on superscript. Sometime in chemistry you want formula, for example H2O, H2O. You want to subscript these two. First select these two or for example you can select this one is by H, for example H2O. So select these two and then click on home and then click on 2 and then here unselect the superscript and then write down H2O. In this way you can use the subscript and superscript. H2O. So this is called subscript and superscript. Okay guys, now you can apply some colors to, for example, if you select home and then click on any type of colors, you can apply the whole pattern colors to the text. So I teach you very basic terminologies of MS Word. Now you can also change the font size, for example Times New Roman, or you can change to any of, for example, if you select this and you want to change the font size, so click on it and click on Arial Black. Similarly, you can increase the size, and similarly you can make it center, to the left, and justify. Okay. Now if you click here on the view and click on ruler, so the ruler will be displayed here. Similarly, if you click here and the grid lines is displayed here, and here I have applied the column, otherwise it will display the grid line on the whole page. And navigation panel, for example, in which page you are working, on the first page, or it will show the we have 3 pages, so it shows the total number of pages. Okay, hope you will enjoy this lecture. In this short lecture I explain very basic topics of MS Word. Watch it, practice on it, and then give me response. Thank you very much.